This is regarding the quotes. For single quotes, if you suppose if you're uh, if you're giving quotes to some text, this is the word and I'm giving a single quote to that text. These are two single quotes what I've given to this text. I'll increase the font size to make you understand. Now this is the text and I have given two quotes to that. Okay, the first quote starts, see the way how it looks. The first quote, it starts this way, and the second, the end quotes, it has changed to some other, the look of that quote has changed. Okay, that's the use of quotes in text. Writing tool, quick correct. If you want to change the quotes view, you can change it from here. If you want the quotes to be in other format, you can change it. If you want the quote to be the beginning quote and the end quote, if you want to change, you can go and change it from here. Okay, the same way the double quote. See, in double quote, if I have changed the double quote, that's the reason it's showing that way. Okay, writing tool, quick correct, we'll change these quotes. See the single quote, we have seen the single quotes. We'll change the double quote to, normally double quotes are viewed like this. Okay, now we'll type the double quotes. See, these are the double quotes. You can change the look of the quotes through these settings, but normally by default these are the way you type the quotes. This is the way you type the quotes. For single quotes, it should be small comma on the top of a word. The beginning of the quote should be viewed like this, and the ending of the quote should be viewed in this way. That's the default view, but you can change it from here. You can give whatever look you want for the quote. Okay, now the next is replace text while typing. Okay, these are the few options already there. Suppose if you want the copy mark, like registered or copy mark, see this kind of text are not available on keyboard. So if you there are some ready options here in CorelDRAW. Suppose if you type through keyboard, if you type a bracket, if you start a bracket and put a C, you will get the copyright mark. Okay, we will see this thing. Okay, we will delete this particular word and see. If I put a bracket and type C, and if I press space, you will get the copyright mark. Okay, because in this setting it has been kept that way, or you can say the Corel has the default setting for typing few words. This can also be you can get this kind of text also through other way of typing, like if you put a C in between two, if you put this C letter in between two commas, you will get that copyright mark. In the same way, for registered, it is bracket and R. If you type and give space mark, you will get this, the registered trademark sign. There are some other words, like see, these are the words, these are the no spelling mistakes which we normally do. These are while typing, normally these kind of spelling mistakes, most of the time it happens. These are the common spelling mistakes which we do. Okay, suppose if we type ADN, okay, suppose if we type ADN and press space, it automatically changes to the correct word. So those all settings can be done through by going to text in writing tool, quick correct. In quick correct, replace text while typing. See, this is the option where you can change the word. Suppose if you are typing a word, if there is a there are a few words which you normally which you do mistakes while typing the words again and again. That particular word you can type it here and you can put the correct word here for that particular word. Okay, now if you put that a mistake word here, what you normally do, and if you want to replace that word with the correct word, if you put if you put this word here and you press OK, whenever you type that word which you normally type wrong, it changes to the correct word. See, here are the options here, default options here. Okay, suppose if I type, see, normally what we do is, if we type I in small, grammatically the I should be in capital, so it changes to capital, so that everything is possible in quick correct. Okay, you can also add words here. Suppose there are words which are not here and you feel that you always type that word mistake, you can type that word here, that mistake word, and the correct word here beside that, replace with, and press OK, replace that particular wrong word which you normally type to correct word by default. As soon as you press spacebar after typing that word, it changes that word. So this is how you use the settings.